Dear students, welcome to the e-learning online classes presented by Southern Global School. I am Mr. Farsik. Today I am going to teach you the economic conditions of the developing countries. Okay, and this is the today I am going to teach the topic distribution of factors of production. Okay, in the previous that you have learned about the four factors which are affect the production that land, okay, and also capital, labor, and entrepreneurships. Okay, now distributions of factors of production. Now, what product are produced in the companies, industries, okay, and how they are distributed in the market to the public. Okay, so in this topic I'm going to teach about the distributions, okay, how that factors are affected the economy of development. So human wants are unlimited while resources to fulfill them are limited. Which are the resources that useful to the human, they are limited, but the wants of the humans, these are unlimited, that can't be fulfilled. So no nation of the world has resource to unlimited quantity. There will always be scarcity of factors of production. So no one nations of the world that has the unlimited resources. Okay, and there will always a scarcity of factors of production. As a result, every country factor facts face problems related to the allocation of resources, and that is the way how to distribute these resources to the all the people, to the all the companies. This problem has been faced by the all the countries of the world. दुनिया के सभी देश को ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. Many questions rise such as why, when, how much quantity of limited resources can be used. Why, when, कितना, कब, कहाँ और कितनी क्वांटिटी में रिसोर्सेज किसको अलॉट करना है, किसको देना. दिस क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज देयर इज फॉर अस. नाउ देर आर द सम फैक्टर्स which are play a major role also in the developing countries, and that is the factors of the production. First is the unlimited wants. First is the unlimited wants. So human wants are uncountable and unlimited, as we all know. Many of the time also I taught you about this. I also told you that humans, once you buy the bicycle, then you will have to desire a bike, then luxurious bike, then car, then luxurious car, then the other helicopter, aircraft. That is a, as a day by day, as we get the some things, any things, we will have the desire for more, for luxurious. Okay, so that is not our need, but these are our wants, and the wants are unlimited. Okay, so the many requirements are to be fulfilled again and again, while many wants arise because of development of science and the technology. Requirement and the need, this can be fulfilled, but again and again, while many wants are arise because of development of science and technology. Thus, because of many reasons, wants become unlimited. So in order to fulfill the wants, one has to make selection among wants. Okay, in the earlier time, okay, early age man, he was moving from one place to another place by walking. Then the invented the wheels. Then he joined with the wheels animals. Then he transferred from one place to another place by the carts, joined with the animals. Then after another animals used which move faster. Then machine invented. Then by ship, waterways. Okay, so as day by day, there was also a human being what transferring from one place to another place, and these are also, but these are what wants, desire, which are day by day, which become more. That is can be said na ye dil mange more, means humans hearts, humans wants, they are unlimited. So Because of many reasons want become unlimited, so in order to fulfill the wants one has to make selection among wants. So which are the wants we have to fulfill, that we can have to make the selection. Second factor is important order in term of priority. We have to make a important order in the priority. Means we have to first buy a food to eat or we have to buy a jewelry to wear. हमें पहले क्या खरीदना चाहिए, खाने के लिए फूड चाहिएगा या पहनने के गहने. What do you want? So this is the we have also arrange our priority, what we need. Okay, if we are going from the house to the school, so that time we no need helicopter or the chopper. Okay, if we have any vehicle, bike, cycle, it is okay. So that is the way we have to keep order that our priority. So as the resources to satisfy wants are limited, the individual has to decide which wants is more important. यानी कि सबसे पहले हमारी ज़रूरत क्या है, and according to this we have to fulfill our first wants, which is the more important. He has to satisfy his requirement in order of priority. Whichever requirement is more important, that has to be satisfied early and later on the others. Okay, whenever we are hungry, we have to first get a food. Okay, then we are thinking about the other things. Okay, if you have been trapped or you are prison. Okay, so what will you first want in the prison? You want the jewelries or the food? तो सबसे पहले हमें हमारे खाने का जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो जरूरत है, उसको फुलफिल करना है. देन आफ्टर अदर्स एज इट इज वी हैव ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट, वी कैन थिंक बेटर. Okay, what are the important desire our, okay, requirement our, that we have to must fulfill first, then after other. Number third is the limited resources, and the what are the resources are available in the world. These all are limited. Okay, factors of production mainly include natural wealth and man-made wealth, and this is the production of factors. They are include natural wealth and the man-made wealth. Natural wealth, that we can say the water, forest, rivers, oceans, natural oils, petroleums. And the man-made wealth, the which machineries are built by a man. Okay, computers, clothes, these are all also called the tools. So all these tools are limited, so they have to be utilized judicially. Distribution of tool has to be done keeping selected wants in the center. Okay, and that is the why which are the factors of the production, man-made and the natural. These all are unlimited. These all are limited. So we have to utilize judicially. तो हमें उसका जो यूसेज है, उपयोग है, वो बहुत ही जुडिशली करना चाहिए. ओके, विवेकपूर्वक. So distribution of tool has to be done keeping selected wants in the center. यानी कि जो हमें ज़रूरी है, these tools necessary for us, that we have to first select and we have to keep in them center. Number 4 is the alternative use of the resources. Alternative, option, optional. यानी कि हम अगर एक चीज़ है, अगर उसको नहीं यूज़ करें, उसकी जगह दूसरी कौन सी चीज़ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड द अल्टरनेटिव यूज ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. So resources to satisfy demand are limited. Okay, and the which resources that satisfy these demands are limited. No, only not only these, they have alternative usage also. Like now we are using the petrols, diesels in the vehicles, but in the future there will be also inventions. Instead of the petrol, we will use that cars and the vehicle which are run by the electricity, also by the using water. So these are called the alternative usage of the petroleum. Okay, so when any tool of production may be utilized in more than one way, it means that tool has multiple usage. कि जो कोई एक चीज़ है वो एक से ज़्यादा टाइम पर यूज़ हो रही है. ओके, मोर देन वन वे, यानी कि चीज़ बहुत सी जगह पे यूज़ हो रही है. लाइक अ पेट्रोल. सो पेट्रोल इज नॉट जस्ट ओनली यूज्ड इन द व्हीकल्स, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन अनदर मशीनरीज ऑल्सो. It is also used to another productions also in the chemist. Okay, as making the polymers also, that petroleum is used. So this is kind of the products they have the multiple usage. So it may be said that this usage is alternative. Okay, this usage is a alternative. Okay, so for example, if when it is sown in land, bajra, maize, groundnut or any other yield cannot be cultivated, other usage of the land has to be stopped. Okay, in the land just only one kind of that we can grow cereals or the wheat, okay, grains, we cannot be cultivated another. So that is why the other usage of the land has to be stopped, so we can use that alternative use of this land. So thus in above mentioned condition, distribution of factors of production is done in such a way that they satisfy to maximum possible demands. Okay, and with this the way which are the mentioned condition of the distribution and with the factors of the production, this is done in a such a way, and this that is the way to satisfy maximum possible demand. Now to produce, many of the companies industry they are producing the things, okay, and they are the selling this all the finished products in the market. So for the production and for the marketing, for the selling, there are different types of the systems. So method of allotting or allocation of resources, यानी कि जो रिसोर्सेज है वो उनको कैसे बांटा जाएगा, दूसरों को कैसे दिया जाएगा. So every nation try to attain speedy economic development by making the best possible allocation of resources, and all the nations of the world they try to attain the speedy economic development, यानी कि किस तरह से उनकी इकोनॉमी, that economy will be rise up, okay, grow up, and that is the why they wanted to make the best possible allocation of resources. Allotment of resources is mainly done by two methods, and this is the allotment of the resources to the companies, industries, mills. Okay, this can be done by mainly two methods. That first is the market mechanism and second is the social system. Okay, we also can say the market system also. So in two way that resources are allotted to the different resources. Okay, so both the systems are opposite to each other. By mingling both system may other method have developed. Okay, this market mechanism, market system and the social system, both method these are opposite to each other. In the one system there is center in the social society, in the other system there is a in the center keeping the profit, development of the market. So both are different to each other, यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग है. But when we mix both market system and the social system, so make another third system can be developed. Let us see. So every country accepted one or another method as per the requirements. Following is the explanation of method of allotment of resources and how these resources are allotted to the markets and the society to attain the development, economic development. Let us see. First system is the market system. So nations like America, Japan, just keep it in mind, and you also can underline these two countries name. Okay, nation like America, Japan, etc. have made their economic development through market system. America and Japan, these two countries have make their development through the market system. Okay, and market system is also called capitalist system. Okay, you also can underline this, that market system is also called the capitalist system, and the America and Japan, these two countries have accepted and they made their economic development through the market system. So in this method the process of resources allocation is done on the basis of profit scope. Means, as I said, in the market system there is center profit only, there is not they are looking for the society. Okay, they are not keeping in mind the society, the situation of the society, they are just only making the center profit only. People invest in those industries when they find more scope of profit. Market is completely free in this system, and in this system market is completely free, there is a no bond from the government. Okay, they can use as they much as they want resources. Okay, they can also produce the things as they much according to demand. Okay, and there is also not keeping in mind there quantity and the quality. Sometimes they also spoil the quality also of the things because of the more production. So government does not have any specific economic policy or does not play any role in this method. Government के पास कोई right नहीं होता है. They are not any specific policy, economic policy, or does not play any role in this system. This market system is completely free from the government. Government does not have, okay, competition play a vital role in the market system. Okay, like you can see now there is in India no any mobile companies are more that we can know which are the very famous, because in India we are keeping in the center socialist system, while in the China, America, Japan, okay, we can see that many of the mobile products are there is, and they are producing the different types of the mobile, and they are also the very good, and they are selling these mobiles in the market of the world to दिन बेच रहे हैं. Why? Because there is a market system. They keep in the center profit. Okay, so that is the why. There is also we can see the competition between the Chinese mobile. So there are the lots of Chinese mobiles are available in the market in the our India too. Okay, there is in the India 70% of the mobiles are Chinese. Rest of all others, Japan, Korean, America. Okay, otherwise 70% that mobile are in the India from the China. That is why we can see the competition between the Chinese companies too. Oppo, Vivo, Mi, Realme, Redmi. How many are there? Many of the others also which we don't know even name too. Okay, so this is the way these companies are making different types of mobile. Price is very low, features are also very good. Okay, and they are also the giving the features which are in the very high price in the Apples and in the Samsung mobiles. These features they are giving in the very low price mobile. Why? There is a competition, that is the why. So competition play a vital role in the market system, and in the competitive market the owner has to increase working capacity to greatest extent in order to obtain maximum profit. उसको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या करना है? प्रॉफिट करना है. So to want the profit, to attain the profit, to gain profit, he will increase the working capacity. The employee, the labor who are working there, they have to work more, but they will also get the overtime also in this company. Okay, because of this method many new researches are done and the new method of production are created, and because of these researches, okay, we can see there is also the many of the applications are available. Okay, India also has to ban more than 250 hundreds 250 250 sorry 250 applications are banned by the India, which are the Chinese only. Okay, if we compare this another apps to the India, so they're very less Indian apps. So why? There is not scope of the market in India. India में Indian चीज़ों के market नहीं है, because in the China there is a lots of market. There is no any bonds of the Chinese government. Okay, so because of this research is also done, they are also inventing different types of the mobile. Okay, so production is the maximum because of this fact. Fast economic development of the countries like take place. Okay, and that is the reason in the companies like in the countries like China, America, Japan, they have invented different types of the machines too. Okay, in the agriculture, in the companies, in the houses also, in the office also. Many of the in the China, Japan we can see, so many of the offices and the vehicles are run by the robots. No need the human there. Why? Research, economic market system, that is the why. So because they have free hand, they can produce anything, they can use the resources of the government too. Okay, so thus competition control the whole market like an invisible hand, as the state does not in their interfere. This system also known as a free economy, and that is the why. Who control this system? So competition controls this system. There is no hand, no eyes, but invisible hand of competition control the market system. The price to control by the system, and state does not interfere in this system. Government इस पे कोई interfere नहीं करती है. That is the why market system is also known as a free economy. Okay, market system is known as a free economy. Why? The state does not interfere in this system. It is also known as a market free economy. Okay, now what are the features of market mechanism system? Features, how this system is work. So first is the ownership of resources. Okay, ownership of resources of production is either individual or private. The ownership, it is, the ownership is not belong to the government. It is a individual, कोई किसी कंपनी के अंदर होता है और किसी एक ही इंसान की होती है ओनरशिप, मालिकी. Profit is the center of economic activities in the market system, and in the center there is a economy. Profit is the most important. They are not doing this service for the social work. While in our India, we are also donating the things also. Okay, many of the time donation also done by the companies. In that there is a no any other social work are involved, and the profit is the main center. Consumer get good opportunity of choice, and because of this that we can see the different types of the mobiles and the machineries, washing machine, refrigerator, AC, which are developed in the market system. So we can see different types of the products, so we can have a choice, we have a choice to get a good opportunity of the things. Government intervention is not there in this system, as there is a state does not interfere in this system. So that is why this is also known as the free economy. Distribution of resources is based on profit. कितना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से इनको रिसोर्सेज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. Okay, that is a raw material also that we can see. Economic decisions are taken while keeping price mechanism in mind, and the economic decisions are taken while keeping price mechanism in mind, and the decisions also are taken about the price to be increased or the decrease. It is according to the demands and the mechanism in mind. Now the benefits of market system. So previous there is a factors, features of the market system. Now what are the benefits? इसके फायदे क्या है? Let us see that there are the 5 types of the benefits are there. First is the economic freedom of individual is protected is market system. Okay, economic freedom of individual is protected in the market system. Individual, अगर कोई single handedly अगर कोई ownership है, owner है, तो he is the free and he is also protected in this system. Resources of production are utilized to the greatest extent and efficiently, and the resources of the production, they can be utilized very easily and also greatest extent in the efficiently. बहुत ही easy से हम हासिल कर सकते हैं और उसको use भी कर सकते हैं. Resources can be used very easily. Number 3 is a abundant production may be done. यानी कि there is a no any limitation of the production. We can do production according to the demands of the products. Okay, that is why abundance, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मात्रा में goods things उसको produce की जा सकती है. So this is the benefit. Number 4 is the new exploration keep on taking place continuously in economy. As a result, economic development become faster, and the new exploration, नई शोधें, researches होती रहती है यहाँ पे, and continuously in this economy, and as a result economic development become faster, and this is the because of the research is new invents, okay, new inventions, and this is the take place continuously हर बार. As we are looking at that there is a mobiles, okay, not 4 5 6 7, many of the series are there, as it is in the refrigerator, TVs also. So this is called exploration, शोध. Okay, कुछ नया डालते हो उसमें. Okay, number 5, quality of thing improve because of competition, and in this market system that consumer have not questions or the doubt about the quality, because they have to develop their business, their company, their development, and that is why they also will produce the goods in good quality. So quality of things improve because of competition. Because if that any mobiles or the any gadgets or the things, if the quality is not good or the consumer is not satisfied with the quality of the product, then they will next time they will not buy, and also they will not suggest to other too. That is the why this side of the companies, they keep in their mind that quality should be very good and the exclusive. Okay, now as it is there is a benefits, there are the some limitations also. Okay, now let us see what are the limitations of the market system. So limitation of market system, so in spite of having many benefits, market system is not perfect. There are many disadvantage and limitation of it, which are as follow. तो मार्केट सिस्टम में बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स है, देर आर ऑल्सो लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट, बट दिस सिस्टम इज नॉट परफेक्ट. So there are so many disadvantages also is there, and we also can call the limitation. Let us see which are the limitation and the disadvantages of the market system. Number first, so because of keeping profit in the center of production, commodities are produced in more quantity and production is luxurious commodities of basis requirement is negligent or reduced because of keeping profit in the center. Okay, so now we can see now these companies are they are producing that luxurious commodities, the airports, ACs, refrigerators, okay, cars, goggles, watches. Okay, these types of the things which are luxurious, they have price more than crore rupees. Why? No need this, इसकी ज़रूरत है नहीं है, then also they are producing these luxurious commodities. Okay, बेसिस रिक्वायरमेंट्स नेग्लेक्टेड ऑफ रिड्यूस. तो अब इसकी वजह से क्या है, जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है, व्हाट ऑल द पीपल आर नीड, दिस आर नेग्लेक्टेड, उसको इग्नोर किया जाता है. ओके, एंड विच आर द रिसोर्सेज विच थिंग्स आर नेसेसरी फॉर द कॉमन पीपल, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इट. Number second is the because of lack of policy related to the role of state, natural resources are wasted. This is the most important. Natural resources are wasted because there is a no any control of the government. So these types of the companies, they use these resources as they want, as they need. Okay, and the many of the these resources also are wasted, like water, land, forest, wood, many of the things. Due to lack of knowledge and the ignorance about the market, consumer are exploited. Now with the lack of knowledge, अगर किसी चीज़ का हमें knowledge नहीं, like Apple mobiles or any other mobiles, we don't have knowledge about that mobile, so maybe that some Chinese companies they are producing as it is same, we can say their first copies of the things which are available in the market, same it look like as it is, which is the original. So if there's not the knowledge about the things or the goods, may consumer are exploited, they are cheated, okay, by the shopkeepers. Number 4, due to the centralization of property and income, there is an increase in disparity of income. Now the who has the money, okay, they will use these resources, but others who don't have the money, they can't utilize. Okay, and the centralization of the property and income, there is an increase in the disparity of income. जो ज़्यादा अमीर है वो ज़्यादा के ज़्यादा अमीर हो रहा है, और जो गरीब है वो ज़्यादा के ज़्यादा गरीब होता जा रहा है. Number 5, there is a fear of monopoly, economic instability, exploitation of labor sector. Fear of monopoly. If any company is become while more successful, then all the consumer will buy that goods only. So that time that company will be become a monopoly, यानी कि जो जैसा चाहेगी फिर वैसा बढ़ता होगा कंज्यूमर के साथ, ग्राहक के साथ. There is also economic instability, means only that one company will grow more, so what about the other countries, other companies? So there will be economic instability and exploitation of labors too. Now the company which is the grow more faster, which doing the development more, so they have to also produce the more quantity and the quality. That is why that labor have to do work more there, and may sometime they will also get the less salaries or the wages too. May they have to work hard overnights also, so that health may be exploited. Okay, so there is also the possibility of exploitation of labors. So these are the limitations of the market system. And number second is the socialist system, that I will teach you the later. Okay students, so I hope all of you understood about the market systems Okay, its a features, its a benefits, and its a limitation. Okay, so take care, goodbye.